are fine and safe. In last classes we are discussed about the simultaneous equations, also the symbol equations. Today we are going to introduce a new type of equation, that is quadratic equations. Let's start. Now we are going to discuss quadratic equations. What is its general form? Its general form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. In a quadratic equation, the highest degree of x is 2, that is the highest power is 2. For a quadratic equation, the highest degree is 2. And here the coefficient of x square is, here the coefficient of x square is a. And the coefficient of x is b. And the constant term is c. Also, the coefficient of x square is known as quadratic coefficient. What is it? Quadratic coefficient. The coefficient of x also known as linear coefficient. Constant term is known as free term. So, for a quadratic equation, the quadratic coefficient means the coefficient of x square, linear coefficient means the coefficient of x, and the constant term means the free term. If we substitute a is equal to 0, the quadratic equation becomes 0 into x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is 0 into x square is 0. Bx plus c is equal to 0. Here the highest power of x is 1. This type of equation is known as linear equation or symbol equation. So when a is equal to 0, the quadratic equation become linear equation. Becomes linear equation. So the general form or standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and a not equal to 0. If a equal to 0, the quadratic equation becomes linear. That's why we use a not equal to 0 in the standard form. Is it clear? What are the importance of equation in the physical world? If we can represent a physical situation mathematically, then we can solve such a problem very quickly. So, today we are going to discuss how to represent a physical situation mathematically. So, consider the problem. John and Jeevan together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. Now we are going to represent this situation mathematically. Here John and Jeevan together have 45 marbles. That means the total number of marbles is 45. Let number of marbles John had be x. Let it be x. The number of marbles John had is x. Then what is the number of marbles Jeevan had? Number of marbles Jeevan had total is 45 and John had x, then Jeevan had 45 minus x. Now read the second line. Both of them lost 5 marbles each. So John lost 5 marbles, also Jeevan lost 5 marbles. Now the number of marbles left. Marbles left with John. John had X marbles, but he lost 5 marbles. That means X minus 5. The number of marbles left with Jeevan. Jeevan had 45 minus X marbles and he lost 5 marbles. That means 45 minus X minus 5. 45 minus 5 is 40. That is 40 minus X. The next line is the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. That means the product of the marbles is X minus 5 into 40 minus X. The product of the marble means just multiply this number of marbles, that is X minus 5 into X 40 minus X, product of marbles. What is the value? X minus 5 into 40 minus X is 124. Now we just open the brackets, we get X into 40 is 40X. X into X is minus X square. And minus 5 into 40 is minus 200. Minus 5 into minus X is plus 5X is equal to 124. Just transfer these terms to the right side. It becomes 124 or 0 is equal to 124 plus 40x becomes minus 40x. Minus x square becomes plus x square. Minus 200 become plus 200. Plus 5x becomes minus 5x. And write the first term as x square. X square plus, and here the terms of x are minus 40x and minus 5x. Plus the constant term is 200 plus 124. X square plus minus 40x minus 5x, that is minus 45x. 200 plus 124, that is 324. That is, the equation becomes x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. This is the representation of this situation. The data is very large, but if we represent it mathematically, it becomes a simple equation. Now we can solve this using the methods of solutions of the equation. Is it clear? The next situation is Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages after 3 years will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. How to write the situation mathematically? For this here, our aim is to find the Rohan's present age. So, let x is equal to Rohan's present age. Let x be the Rohan's present age. Now, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Then what is the present age of his mother? It is 26 years older than him. That means x plus 26 is the present age of Rohan's mother. Rohan's age is x, but the Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. That means the age of Rohan's mother is x plus 26. Now, the second lines indicate the product of their ages after 3 years. After 3 years, what is the age of Rohan? After 3 years, Rohan's age is x plus 3. What is the age of Rohan's mother? Rohan's mother's age is x plus 26 plus 3, that is x plus 29. So after 3 years the age of Rohan increases by 3, that means x plus 3. Similarly the age of mother also increases by 3 after 3 years. So it is x plus 29. Now it is given that the product of their ages after 3 years will be 360. So the product of ages after 3 years is, just multiply these 2 years, that is x plus 3 into x plus 29. What is the value? The value is 360. Now just open the bracket, we get x into x, that is x square, x into 29, that is 29x, 3 into x, that is 3x, 3 into 29, 3 into 29 is 87, is equal to 360. Then take the 360 to the left side, it becomes 29x plus 3x is 32x. 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. That is x square plus 32x. 87 minus 360 is 273 is equal to 0. So we rewrite the physical situation mathematically. Then solve for the value of x. This is the present age of Rohan. Now we are going to discuss, or we are going to check the given equations are quadratic or not. The first one is x minus 2 whole square plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 3. We are going to check it is a quadratic equation or not. We know that the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. If we can represent this equation in this form, we can clearly say that it is quadratic. So first let x minus 2 whole square. What is x minus 2 whole square? We know that a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a is x and b is 2. So the value is a square means x square. X square minus 2 into a is x and b is 2. 2 into 2. 2x into 2 plus b square is 2 square. So it becomes x square, 2 into 2 is 4 minus 4x, 2 square is 4. So x minus 2 whole square can be written as x square minus 4x plus 4. The question is x minus 2 whole square plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 3. Just substitute the value of x minus 2 whole square here. So the x minus 2 whole square is x square minus 4x plus 4, and here plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. Sorry, 2x plus 3. Just take these values to the left side. It becomes x square minus 4x. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. X square minus 4x minus 2x is minus 6x. 5 minus 3 is 2 is equal to 0. So we can represent x minus 2 whole square plus 1 equal to 2x plus 3 in the form x square minus 6x plus 2. Here a is equal to 1, not equal to 0. So the given equation is quadratic, since it is represented as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a not equal to 0. So the given equation is quadratic. The next problem is x into x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2. That is, we are going to check it is quadratic or not. For this, just consider the case x into x plus 1. X into x plus 1 is, just multiply these terms, x into x, that is x square, x into 1, that is x. Also consider the RHS, it becomes x plus 2 into x minus 2. That is x into x is x square, x into minus 2 is minus 2x, x into 2x is plus 2x, and 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. That is minus 2x plus 2x get cancelled. The value is x square minus 4. Substitute these values in the given equation. That is x into x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2. Here x into x plus 1 is x square plus x plus 8, and x plus 2 into x minus 2 is x square minus 4. Just take these values into the left side. It becomes x square plus x plus 8 plus x square becomes minus x square minus 4 becomes plus 4 is equal to 0. So x square minus x square plus x plus 8 plus 4 is equal to 0. X square minus x square is 0 plus x plus 8 plus 4 is 12 is equal to 0. So we get x plus 12 is equal to 0. We know that the quadratic form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 where a not equal to 0. But here the coefficient of x square is 0. Here a is equal to 0. So the quadratic equation becomes linear equation. This is not a quadratic equation. This is not a quadratic equation. It is linear. It is linear since here the coefficient of x square is 0. That is a is 0. Here the highest power of x is 1. So it is not a quadratic equation. It is a linear equation. Is it clear? Our next problem is check whether the equation x into 2x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 1 is quadratic or not. So consider the left side, that is x into 2x plus 3. Just open the bracket, that is x into 2x is 2x square, x into 3x is 3x. Now substitute this value here, we get x into 2x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 1. X into 2x is, this value is 2x square plus 3x is equal to x square plus 1, and transfer the terms to the right side, left side. It becomes 2x square plus 3x minus x square minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x square minus x square is x square plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x square minus x square is x square plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. We know that the quadratic form, general form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 where a not equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1. Here a is equal to 1, not equal to 0. So the given equation is quadratic. It is quadratic. So for check this type of equation, quadratic or not, we just simplify this equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 where a not equal to 0. Then we get the given equation is quadratic. The next problem is check whether the equation is quadratic. The equation is x plus 2 whole cube is equal to x cube minus 4. We know that a plus b whole cube is, what is the value of a plus b whole cube? It is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here a is x and b is 2. So x plus 2 whole cube is a cube. That means x cube plus 3 into a square is x square. B is 2 plus 3 into, here a is x and b square is 2 square plus b cube is 2 cube. Just substitute these values. So x cube plus 3 into 2, 6. 6 into x square, 6x square plus 3 into 2 square is 4. 3 into 4 is 12. 12x plus 2 cube is 8. So x plus 2 whole cube becomes x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8. Then the equation x plus 2 whole cube is equal to x cube minus 4 becomes, x plus 2 whole cube is x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 is equal to x cube minus 4. Just take this RHS to the left side. It becomes x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 minus x cube plus 4 is equal to plus x cube becomes minus x cube, minus 4 become plus 4. Then x cube minus x cube is 0 plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 plus 4 is 12 is equal to 0. So the equation is 6x square plus 12x plus 12 is equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x square, that is a, is equal to 6, not equal to 0. So we convert the given equation into the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is 6 and 6 not equal to 0. So the given equation is quadratic. So I think you got the idea of quadratic equation and how to represent a physical situation into mathematical situation, and also how to check the given equation is quadratic or not. Thanks for watching. Thank you.